The QwikCheck DFI Kit delivers reliable insight into sperm DNA integrity using the proven Sperm Chromatin Dispersion. It simplifies sperm DNA fragmentation testing by streamlining slide prep and minimizing manual error, saving your lab time and ensuring consistent results. Ideal for fertility evaluations, this kit empowers clinicians with clear, dependable DFI readings that support informed decision-making. Each kit includes everything needed for the 10 tests: 10 vials of agarose, 10 agarose-coated slides, 10 Coverslips, 10 vials of Lys A Powder, dilution, Lys 1 solution, Lys 2 solution, Fixative, and Giemsa A and B in the washing solution. Thank you for watching. We are here if you need us. And remember, it all started with a sperm and an egg.